If the Steam overlay is causing frame drops, input lag, or even crashes in your favorite game, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable Steam overlay for one specific game, and then I'll also show you how to turn it off completely for all games. This is a quick fix that can help with performance issues in competitive games like Apex Legends, Counter-Strike 2, and other high-intensity titles. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more useful gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the recommended method, which is disabling the Steam overlay for just one game. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to change, then right-click it. From the menu that appears, click Properties. This opens the settings for that specific game, which is useful if you only want to change one title without affecting everything else in your library. Once the Properties window opens, make sure you're in the General tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. By default, this is usually turned on, but if you want to stop the overlay from opening for this game, simply toggle it off. As soon as you disable it, Steam will no longer pop up on top of the game while you're playing. This can help reduce interruptions and in some cases improve stability or performance. Now, if you want a more aggressive fix, you can disable the Steam overlay globally for every game on your account. To do that, go back to Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Then choose Settings. In the Settings window, click In-Game from the left-hand menu. This is where Steam keeps the overlay options for your entire account. You'll see the main setting labeled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Turn that switch off and Steam overlay will be disabled across all games. This is a great option if you never use the overlay and want to avoid any possible interference while gaming. While you're in this section, there's also another useful setting you may want to check. Steam uses Shift+Tab as the default overlay shortcut, and if that key combo conflicts with your game controls, it can become really annoying. In the same in-game settings area, you can change the shortcut key to something else or leave it disabled entirely if you don't need it. That's especially helpful in fast-paced games where every key press matters. So just to recap, if you only want to disable the overlay for one game, go to your library, right-click the game, open Properties, and turn off Enable the Steam overlay while in-game in the General tab. If you want to disable it for everything, go to Steam Settings, open in-game, and switch off the Global Overlay setting. Both methods are simple, and the one you choose depends on whether you want a one-game fix or a full account-wide change. If this video saved you time or helped improve your game's performance, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Steam tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.